All right, YouTube. Welcome to the first episode of Hugh is Helpful. I'm Hugh. I'm trying to be helpful. Anyways, check out my setup, man. It's decent. Nothing really spectacular or anything. You know, just a regular dude. I clean movie theaters at night, and I do this during the day. Except since we're in quarantine, I do it at night too sometimes. Anyways, today I'm gonna be working on my own vehicle. I got a 2004 Cadillac Deville base model. I've got a check gas cap message on there along with a check engine light as well. So the first thing we're gonna do is run codes with my launch scanner. Then we're gonna throw this at it and hopefully it'll work. Not gonna clear the codes this time. We're gonna ride around, see if it'll turn itself off. If it doesn't, then we'll end up resetting it and we'll go from there. Final thing happening will be a smoke test. So if I don't do it on my car, I'm gonna do it on another one. Either way, you get to see the smoke show. Okay? So it should be kind of fun. Anyways, my aim is to help people, you know, get things done that may cost them a lot of money, you know, to pay someone else to do or involve them changing their schedules or what have you. With just a little bit of know-how, you know, you can do things on your own. It's not difficult. I do a lot of research before I take my test. Even if I didn't do it in school, I do it in adulthood, and that counts. So this is for all the other adults who maybe didn't study for their tests either. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna jump right in it today. It's Thanksgiving. I'm thankful for you. I hope you tell everybody that you love, you're thankful for them too. My family had an IHOP Thanksgiving, and if you can't tell, I'm a little bulgy because I had a lot of food to eat. So if you hear me grunt or go, while I'm working on the car, please forgive me. Fat man problems. Some of you will understand, some of you won't. Anyway, let's get into it. All right, guys, I'm hoping you can see everything all right. So what we're gonna do is undo the gas cap. We're just gonna kind of look around on the inside of the gas cap. See the gasket. It doesn't look too bad, actually. We're gonna replace it anyway, though. And another thing we want to check at is right here. If you look real close, you can see like gunk or rust or whatever. So we're just gonna slide this guy around there a little bit. Little wire brush. Try to help it seal better. Maybe that's all. Maybe that's the only issue we got. You know, if it is, it'll be a quick fix. If it's not, we'll keep going till we figure it out. All right. Well, we've cleaned it up. Like I said, we're gonna go ahead and change this out anyway, so I'm gonna show you how to do that real quick. All right. There's a little tab up here. You can just pluck it up. Pops right off. And boom. Now we take the pin out. That's what we got right there. All right. Old cap. Let's put in a new one. All right, here we go. Brand new cap. GM part number 192077873. Can you peep that? Cool. All right, so this bad boy's got a new everything on it. See, we got the little tab already there too. Okay. So I ended up using a little panel remover tool, and you get right in between there with the tool and pop pop it right up. All right. Gas cap lanyard right back onto the old spot that the other one hooked in at. We just go press it in again. Bam. That's it. Now we got a brand new fuel cap on it. Let's see. So what we got here is a P0455 and a P0442. 455 just popped up. That's a large leak detected, and 442 is a small leak. Either way, that small leak is commonly caused by a poor fit on the gas cap. So, like I said, we're not going to race these. We've replaced the cap. All right. We're going to drive it around for a while, see what we get out of it. I'll force it to reset if I have to, but hopefully this will work. And if it don't work, like I said, we'll smoke it out, we'll find the leak, and we'll solve the problem. All right, guys. I'll let you know how it goes.